So I'll show you the accommodation what is provided by church. Since I am alone today, so they have pushed me into bachelor's accommodation. So this is, you can see, Infant Jesus Pilgrims Quarters. Then there is St. Peter's and St. Paul's Pilgrim Quarters. Behind that there is a SCC Pilgrim Quarters. So let me take you to my room. Please don't feel bad. It may not be tidy since I'm just going there, taking bath, come out, then going there, sleeping, come out. That's what is happening. So let me show you. So I'm on the St. Peter's, which is on my right side here. And I got the room what I wanted. Will you believe I never prayed for that? I just had a idea in my mind, if I get my old room back. And I didn't remember the building and the number of the room. But when they gave me, I just came out, took the slip, came to this place, and when I walked, this is the door, there is a caretaker sitting there. You have to give the slip which you get from reservation office to them. They will give you the key of the rooms and you have to go to the room. So this is the building I got. You see this room, which is not at the first floor, not even at the ground floor level. So now I am reaching first floor. Walk all the way because these are the family rooms. There are beds for 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, not 1. One is always at the end where I am. So let me show you. If you're trying to find a luxury, then don't come here. It's the only place for you to feel God, not to feel entertainment. That's my room. It's number 26. So let me keep my holy water here. I'll open the room for you. So that's the room I got. This is bachelor's room. One chair which I never sat on, and there is a nice breezy window. In this window I can see almost everything. I can see church there, I can see the room reservation office right in front of us. After those building there is a bus stand. When we get down from the bus stand, you see that building, yellow, that grey and that white. That is our reservation office. So I can see it from here. And the room, one single room for bachelor. The main and the good thing about it is a bathroom attached. So we have a bathroom attached. There is wash basin, there is one mirror, there is a bucket, there is mug, there is commode and window, and there is no shower. I wash my little things by myself, like my knickers and socks and all. So I feel peaceful. Since it's in a middle of second floor, first floor, and this room is alone here between these stairs. So I am peaceful. There is no crowd, there is nothing, no sounds, no sound, no noise. So I just lie down here. Always remember one thing, there is no charger. You cannot use anything electronic here with the plug. You have to bring, if you are going to take these rooms, you have to bring your power bank with you, or you have to have some source to recharge your mobile, because here they don't have. The plug is, they said is, what they mean to say here is defect. So they have fan, this is bathroom switch, this is upper bulb switch actually, this is nothing, this is fan, this is tube light, this is fan. So plug is not working. So we don't have the instructions. Here goes like this. If you likes to read it before coming and booking the rooms. So I always takes the room from church, because I want whatever money I'm paying for something, it should go to church. So every building what you see there is, every building you see there is a hotels. There are not 1, 2 or 1 to 100. There are thousands of hotels. Wherever you see there are hotels. So there is no lack of hotels. And you get every kind of hotel. Hotels with the swimming pool, hotel with bar, hotel with AC, hotel with whatever you say, everything is there. But I want to give my money to church so they can provide good services to the people. When I came here, there was nothing, but thank God, today there is everything maintained by the church. So if you're a bachelor, I think it is, yeah, don't expect too much cleanliness when you reach in the room. Room may have been shut for about 10 days, 15 days. It can be little smelly because the area is near sea and there is a lot of humidity. So everything can be sticky. Everything can be sticky. So when you enter, you may feel some kind of sleepy, smelling thing here. So you have to open all the windows door for 10-15 minutes. Then I start washing everything by myself. I'll wash the toilet, I'll clean the room, and I don't care. It's my duty, it's my responsibility to do it. So I'm happy with, yeah, this room cost you only 300 rupees.